Here's a little Atlatl 101. Atlatl is what this tool is called is a term from I believe the Aztecs. And the only reason we know how this ancient tool is pronounced is the conquistadors got their asses kicked by these things. Because they could launch a projectile that was far heavier than a bow and arrow, and it would pierce the chainmail of the conquistadors. And what is happening here, if you were to take this dart and throw it in a traditional manner, your hand is only in contact with it for a very short period of time as you're accelerating it. With the Atlatl, it's extending it the length of your arm, but it's also turning a rotary motion into a linear motion. And if you watch as I throw, you'll see the dart travels, the knock travels in a straight line. It's simply a little ball and socket joint on the end of the dart, and you'll also notice the dart is extremely flexible. And what is happening here is I begin to throw an object at rest, wants to stay at rest, and you start flexing, and that stores energy within the dart. And as you finish the end of your throw, it springs off of the end of the knock. If it didn't have that property, you'd see the fletching snap down on the end of that. So there's a few things going on here. You're increasing your speed because you're increasing the length, like a catapult. You're increasing the amount of time that you're putting energy into the system, then you're also storing energy in the system. Every one of your ancestors had a really good ancestors was very good at throwing one of these things. They predated the bow for about 20,000 years. And were used in historical times by both the Aboriginals and some South American tribes.